Hello everyone, I Shivani Sharma welcome you all again in the world of virtual learning. So, today we are going to start our new chapter of class 8, that is stars and the solar system. So students, you all are aware about the stars that we see in the beautiful sky at the night, right? And in this chapter we will discuss about the solar system, means so many other bodies that are there in the sky, okay, and forms a system called solar system, okay. So students, look at the sky on a dark night, clear night. You see entire sky dotted with countless stars, some bright and some not so bright, okay. Observe them carefully. You will find that some of the stars twinkle or flicker and some do not, okay. And the substances or the objects which twinkles are the stars, and which do not twinkle, that are the planets. And the moon is one of the brightest object in the night sky. The stars, the planets, the moon and many objects in the sky are called the celestial objects, okay. The objects which exist in the sky are called the celestial objects, like moon, planet, earth, asteroids, comets, meteors, meteoroids, etc., okay. So in this chapter we are going to learn about the various celestial objects. So first of all, we will study about the moon, okay. So the moon is the natural satellite of the earth. Moon is the closest celestial object to the earth. It takes 229.5 days for moon to rotate around the earth. मतलब अर्थ के अराउंड क्या है, जो आपका मून है वो रोटेट करता है, एंड इट टेक्स 29.5 days, okay. The surface of moon we will discuss later about the surface of the moon. First we will discuss about the phases of moon, okay students. So we are able to see the moon because of sunlight falling on the moon reflected toward us, okay. हम moon कैसे देखते हैं, जब sun की light reflect पे moon पे पड़ती है, then we are able to see the moon, right. The day on which the moon is not visible, that is called the new moon day. जिस दिन कोई भी moon visible नहीं होता उस दिन को हम कहते हैं new moon day, okay. And on the day when whole bright disk of the moon is visible, that is called the full moon day. जिस दिन पूरा round shape में क्या है, bright disk क्या visible होती है, that is called the full moon day, okay. So we have one new moon and one suck moon day during a month. As moon revolve around the earth once every month and moves around the sun along with earth, different amount of its sunlight surface are turned towards the earth, facing to change in the appearance of moon and formation of the phases of the moon, okay. So there are the phases of moon. जब छोटा सा क्या एक sleek bright light की तरह moon दिखता है, that is called the crescent moon, okay. So the various shape of the bright part of the moon as seen during a month is called the phases of moon, okay. The time period between the full moon and the next moon is slightly longer than 29 days. हमने पढ़ा ना 29.5 days लेता है. In many calendars this period is called a month, okay. So in the next slide you can see the various phases of moon, students, okay. Here the new moon, when no moon is visible, okay. Then waxing crescent, then first quarter. ये आपको shapes हैं जो आपको learn करनी पड़ेंगी, okay. So does the moon changes its shape every day? So what according to you, does the moon changes its shape every day? So you will find the answer of this question, students. This is a question for you, okay. So next we are having the surface of moon, okay. The moon is a fascinating object for poets and the storytellers, but when astronauts landed on moon, they found the moon surface dusty and barren, ठीक है. barren because वहाँ पे कोई भी plants, trees नहीं थे, उपजाऊ नहीं थी, वहाँ की मिट्टी थी जो, ठीक है. There are many craters of different sizes. It also have lots of steeps and mountains as well, okay. Some of these are as high as the highest mountain, okay, that is Himalaya, okay. The moon has no atmosphere, no water. So from all these points I think you come to know that life can't exist on the moon because there is no atmosphere, no light, no water, okay. So it's all about the surface of moon. So now next we are having stars. Students, we see many tiny stars in the sky at night. These stars actually bigger than earth, students. These are only visible during night. During the day we can't see stars due to the ब्राइट सनलाइट. हमें दिन में क्यों नहीं दिखते हैं, क्योंकि सनलाइट क्या है, बहुत ज़्यादा ब्राइट होती है. स्टार्स आर द सेलेस्टियल ऑब्जेक्ट्स दैट आर एक्सट्रीमली हॉट एंड हैव लाइट ऑफ देयर ओन. Okay, stars appear to be small because they are very very far away from us. Okay, and the sun is the nearest star. Sun is the star which is nearest to the earth, and sun looks much bigger and brighter because it's much near to us than other stars. Okay, so what is star? A star is a huge ball of glowing gases held together by gravity. Stars consist of hydrogen and the helium gas. So student, I told you that stars are hot. So the stars the stars has heat and light which is generated by nuclear reactions in which hydrogen changes into helium. Okay, from the earth the stars appear to be very close to each other, but in reality they are very far from each other. Okay, students, when you stand in the middle of a room and rotate, you find that objects in room appears to move in all direction. इन द डायरेक्शन ऑपोजिट टू योर मोशन. अगर आप राइट टू लेफ्ट घूम रहे हो तो आपको ऑब्जेक्ट्स क्या लेफ्ट टू राइट जाते हुए दिखाई देते हैं. ठीक है. सिमिलरली all the stars appear to move from east to west because our earth rotates on its axis from west to east. Okay, now the question is, why stars appear to move from east to west? Because our earth rotates about its axis from वेस्ट टू ईस्ट. इसीलिए हम जो स्टार्स हैं वो ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में जाते हुए दिखाई देते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ क्वेश्चन इज हियर, डू ऑल द स्टार्स मूव? यस, all the stars move except the one star, that is the pole star, which is called a stationary star. The stars which appear stationary from the earth is called the pole star. Pole star appear to be stationary and does not change its position with time because it lies on the axis of rotation which is fixed in space and does not change with time. Okay, because जो pole star है वो अर्थ की एक्सिस पे प्रेजेंट होता है. That's why it is called a stationary star. जब अर्थ रोटेट करती है तो वो अपने प्लेस पे वही स्टेशनरी कंडीशन में रहता है. Okay, so the pole star is the stationary star. Okay, one activity is given in your book on page number 221. 17.5 activity students. Here one umbrella is there. umbrella के सेंटर में जहाँ पे रॉड होती है वहाँ पे एक स्टार है और उसके अराउंड जितनी भी स्पाइक्स हैं स्पाइक्स पे लगाया हुए स्टार्स. जब आप अम्ब्रेला रोटेट करोगे सारे स्टार्स मूव करेंगे, बट द स्टार विच इज ऑन द एक्सिस ऑफ द रोड विल नॉट रोटेट, विच इज वी कंसीडर एज द पोल स्टार. ओके.